Hi and welcome to Adells. Today we're doing something a little real life. A calm, simple guide to using a manual pump in the car. If you're new here, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. We keep things chill, gentle, and honest, just the way we all need sometimes. So let's set the scene. You're in the car, maybe in a parking lot, maybe during a lunch break. You've got your pump with you, a little time to spare, and maybe not much else. And that's okay. This moment is yours. First things first, get as comfy as you can. Slide your seat back a little, crack the window for some air, and place a light scarf or cloth over your lap if that helps you feel more at ease. The car may not be cozy, but you can create calm within it. Now gently place the pump and make sure it feels secure. Start with light, even squeezes. Nothing fast or forceful. Let your hand find a natural rhythm. Take slow breaths. Let your mind rest while your body does what it needs to. If you're feeling tense or distracted, focus on something small, like the way the sunlight hits the dashboard or the sound of the wind outside. Turning on soft music or a calming playlist can also really help. If your hand starts to feel tired, pause. Stretch your fingers, switch sides, or just breathe for a moment. There's no rush here. This isn't a race, it's a pause in your day, a little pocket of care. Thanks for being here with me on Adells. If this video brought you a little peace or guidance, please like, subscribe, and come back anytime you need a gentle reminder. You're doing just fine.